Okay guys, now we're gonna make some firecracker tea for those patriotic red, white, and blue drinks. And to make that, what we're gonna use today is we're gonna use the pomegranate liftoff. We're gonna use the lemon herbal tea concentrate, some mango aloe. I also like cranberry aloe in this, and some of the sugar-free blue Hawaiian drink packets, drink stick, and I have about half of a stick in here. So in the to-go cup, we're gonna start with, I've already crushed the liftoff. I just whack it on the edge of the counter, and it breaks the tablet up into smaller pieces so that they dissolve faster. I'm gonna put that in the bottom of my cup, along with the half a teaspoon of the herbal tea concentrate in the cup, and just a little bit of warmed up water. I don't want very much because we're gonna layer the colors in the drink, and for that you want to make sure that you don't use too much fluid, otherwise they all run together. All right, so now while that's dissolving, in this cup I have it's probably about 1.5 ounces to 2 ounces of water, and I'm going to put the other half of the packet of the blue drink in here. Now I'm going to put some bigger chunks of ice in the bottom to cool that off and fill in some space, because I crushed some ice in the blender, which will melt a lot faster if the stuff is still warm. Now I have our ice in here. I'm going to take just a tiny bit of water. This is 2 ounces. I'm going to add my aloe in here, about a tablespoon, but I know that's all that was left in the bottle. And then pour that slowly over the ice in the center. And now I'm going to crush up a little bit more ice to put the blue on top to keep the colors separated. Okay, now we have our glass filled the rest of the way up with crushed ice, and I'm going to pour the blue slowly over the top. And there we go.